The most important thing you can tell a child is that they're smart. That's what everyone believed. That's what the studies said. Parents did it. Teachers did it. Every well-meaning adult in a child's life did it because it seemed obvious. Praise the intelligence. Watch it grow. Then, Carol Dweck at Stanford decided to actually test it. You probably don't remember the moment someone first labeled you smart or not, good at math, bad at art, but your brain hasn't let go of that label yet. Here's the study. Dweck gave children a simple test, then one sentence of feedback. Half heard, "You must be really smart." The other half, "You must have worked really hard." That's it. One sentence. Then she offered a choice. Easy test or hard? The kids praised for being smart chose easy. Almost every one of them. They had something to protect now. The kids praised for effort. They chose the hard one, almost every time. I thought that was interesting. Then I saw what happened next, and it stopped being interesting. When both groups faced a problem designed to be too hard for their age, the smart group fell apart. They gave up faster. Performance dropped. They said they didn't enjoy it. The effort group stayed longer, held their level, and most said they enjoyed the challenge. One sentence, and it split them into two completely different kinds of people. This is what Dweck spent decades mapping. Two beliefs. The fixed mindset. Your abilities are locked in. You're either smart or you're not. The growth mindset. Ability is something you build. These aren't just attitudes. They're architectures. They determine which rooms you walk into and which ones you avoid for the rest of your life. The fixed mindset turns every challenge into a verdict on who you are. And when your identity is on the line, your brain quietly stops taking risks. The people who praised smart weren't wrong to love. They were wrong about what intelligence is. 3 letters change everything, yet not, "I can't do this." I can't do this yet. That single word keeps the door open. It tells your brain, this is a direction, not a ceiling. Your brain hasn't stopped growing. You just haven't given it a challenge worth growing toward. Which area of your life have you been quietly avoiding because failing there would feel like a verdict? Drop it below. No wrong answers.